Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an order from the Apple Store online. First, open your browser and go to apple.com. On the home page, click on the shopping bag icon at the top right. From the menu, select Orders to view your recent purchases. Sign in with your Apple ID to access your order history. Find the order you want to cancel. If cancellation is still possible, you'll see a cancel order button. Click that and follow the steps. If you don't see the option, it may be because the item is already being prepared or has shipped. In that case, you can start a return once you receive it. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel an order on the Apple Store online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.